How to add music boat to Discord. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add a music boat to your Discord server. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your discord.com and log into your account. This is my Discord right here. In order to add a music boat or any kind of boat to your Discord server, you actually have to have your own server. You cannot add a boat to a server that you did not create. So let me open up one of these servers that I created. So this is my server and I want to add a music boat to this server. How to do that? For that, you will just have to go to Google and search for top.gg. This is a Discord server and boat platform where we can find all of the boats available and we can simply add them to our Discord server. In order to add a music boat, what you can do is you can just search for music right here and it will show you all of the music bots available. There are more than 7,000 Discord bots available, and these are all music bots that I can invite to my server. Now it depends on you which one you want to add. Hydro right here is actually a really good bot that I have already added in one of my servers. I'm gonna add it again. This is one of the multi-language bot that we can add. It's a perfect for Spotify, Deezer, and SoundCloud. So I'm gonna invite this bot to my Discord server. For that, click on invite, select your server. I'm gonna add in this one, continue. These are some of the permissions that we have to give to our bot. If you want to uncheck any of these, you can. Click on authorize and your bot will be added to your Discord server. You can see authorize. You may close this window or tab. Now we'll simply go back to our Discord server and there you go, we have our own music boat and now I can listen to music with my friends and chill. You can also add other boats just this way. Just go to top.dg and you'll be able to add a lot of other boats to your Discord server to make it more efficient and more fun. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.